Hello and welcome to my channel. I have an unboxing and these are some really nice diamond paintings, I hope. This is a package from Royal Diamond Painting. I had heard a bit about them on Facebook, as you do when people share companies that they get their toolkits or get their kits from. And I wanted to try these out, and I think from memory the reason why I ended up buying these were because there was a 40% off sale, and with shipping and everything else it effectively just broke even. I suppose I got a $30 discount for the 40% off. Oh, I think I've opened the wrong end. By the way. Alright, it's a box. It's nothing exciting about a box. I think I've had one of these types of boxes before. Alright, so it's a box. Now, as I said, there's two kits in this. It's heavy as all hell. I'll leave that sealed end sealed. And let's see what we get. Alright. Drills. I'm not going to get the other drills out without a struggle. So, painting. Goodness me. Drills. Stuff. Toolkit. And the bottom of the box. Alright. Toolkit is identical. We've got bags, we've got a large wax, we've got green boats, which are a different shade, but from one of the other green boats I just received, and a placer on the ends of the pink pens. Tweezers, which are the mid-range kind of tweezers. Just in a simple little compact bag. Alright, drills. Whoa, look at those reds. I'll keep that picture a surprise for now, although it is my outer one. Okay, and then this one, which is the cross, which you have been able to see. Okay, it's been sealed by masking tape, which in itself I suppose is not bad, although they do seal it the wrong way around. I guess they seal it the right way around when they're putting it on, but it's the wrong way around when you're taking it off. And it's masking tape, it's not elastic bands, which I hate. I think everybody hates them. Alright, it's on a foam roller. Mid-size kind of foam roller. There we go. And I will try and keep that other one a secret for now. Let's see if I can do this. Woo. Okay. This is tight like a drum. 40 by 50 for this really pretty cross. It kind of reminds me of a Celtic cross, and I of course will put a proper picture in here in a second when I get round to my editing. Alright, let's see if we can get this just to take it easy. Yeah, so like I said, I haven't had a Royal Diamond painting before. The Royal Diamond paintings, from what I understand, are actually run by sisters of one of the YouTubers that I watch, I think is The Go. So I guess you're supporting one of our own too in purchasing from these. That drill field is just gorgeous. There's some really subtle shading through the heart. That's beautiful. There's some the shading around all these is just gorgeous. Absolutely stunning. Oh, this is going to be fun. Size wise, let's pop this back on. do not want something sticking on my cover. Yeah, it's true to size, so I've just been working on a 60 by 45, so it was permanently rolled up. It was so big, as would something even this size, because you can see it's spilling off my desk. But yeah, it's true to size, so that's not a problem. Alright, let me get this one. This one is lifting. I will put the price, I'll put the price details in, seeing as it's coming, well, it's China mail, but it's coming from the States in pricing, which will be relevant to a lot of my watchers. But it ships to Australia, not a problem. And I will also put in, oh goodness, it's still curling. I will also put in how long it took. But the drill field is gorgeous. The squares even look a generous size. There was one thing I noticed when I was working on my Hurricane this last week, because I ran out of drills and I dipped in to 2 other kits. So the first kit was just a generic kit. The second kit I ended up dipping into was an Evermoment, and I noticed that my Evermoment drill seemed to be that little bit larger than the Hurricane, although in saying that, Hurricane drills are actually all over the place, so that would be hard to be consistent anyway. But these actually look like they're on par with Evermoment size drills and squares. Alright, crackle alert, if I can find it. Now what I want to know, how many? 40 colours. Okay. I was hoping, I have seen that Royal are particularly heavy on their colour numbers, colour quantities, which I love. I love the rich colours that we have. So I will do a quick inventory and speed you up as I'm doing it, and I'll see you shortly. Okay, everything is there. The only issue I had were these two because they didn't have an upside, so I'll line them up with the other ones and they match, and they match the colours that they've got of both of those. Everything is there. Now, okay, couple of things. They are generous with their drills. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 extra bags. Excuse me, tea. Alright, 6 extra bags in this kit that they have generously put in. There's no damage on the bags. There's no damage on the drills. I think I saw 1 stray drill in all of those. As in a hitchhiker into a different colour. The colours look really good. The drills look amazing. There's no dimples. They're just beautiful squares. The next thing I will check out are these facets, because I know there's a difference with the facets and I've got to do some comparisons between the different drills on the number of facets on each one. So there's 13 and there's 9 on the squares normally, but then Diamond Art Club upped the ante and they put 26 on theirs, and some other companies are also doing the 26s to give you that shimmer and shine that you want. But these drills are beautiful. So let's move on to the next kit. Alright, now this one I have seen on many other sites, and I wanted to get one with, again, the company that's going to do the most colours. So let's take a peek at this one. I think I've seen it on both the discount stores and Evermoment. I don't recall if I've seen this one on Diamond Art Club. Again, that drill field is absolutely incredible. I can see everything in daylight. I've got a mixture of symbols. I've got the pi, which is a bit of a nuisance. The Y that I had on Hurricane, which has a single line through it. This one has the correct mathematical symbol, which I think has 2 little slashes through the bottom of the capital Y. There's a river here, but I don't think that's going to be any major issue. Other than that, the canvas is pretty good for a sticky field. Just trying to get sheen. So yeah, it's a sunflower. And again, wanted the colours and the tones and each line here. So you've got different colours, different tones, so you're gonna get all that detail. It's confetti central, but confetti means colour, variation and contrasts through it, and hopefully will really make it stand out. I can't tell from the inventory on the side if there's more numbers than before. Another drill. This could be how I'm taking it off, of course. Certainly where the creases are. I think it's just because it's been rolled reasonably tightly. The sticky doesn't extend too far either, which is nice. Just a bit of the overlap where they join up together, but that is crystal clear to me without the light on. The light on just makes it that little bit easier, but this is daylight at the moment. I've got my lights above half on and I can see that drill field absolutely perfectly. They've got the light colours on a dark background and they've got the dark colours on a light background. I think it's very well designed, although the reds have a dark colour on them. Maybe that would be better on with a light colour and the icon, but it still it does read okay. They're clear as they're not blurred. They haven't bled with the canvas print or anything else. Alright, the quality of the canvas, I'm quite happy with. The it feels like I would expect from an Evermoment, from a Huacan. It feels like it's a fine quality canvas. Yeah, no issues with that. Crackle time. Look at those colours, aren't they just incredible? 44 colours in the sunflower. No loose drills, always a bonus. And to be honest, with these bags there actually shouldn't be. I noticed a hitchhiker straight away. But again, these are squares. They've had a bit of an issue with the number being off the center, and they've put a sticker on to label that for me. So it's nice and helpful too. See you soon. Everything is there. Look at those colours, the mustards and the reds. It's just beautiful. Really looking forward to doing that kit. Beautiful drills. The sunflower is also a 50 by 40. The thing with Royal Diamond Painting, they have the squares in the strips and they have the rounds weighed, so there is a difference between their kits. If you decide to go for them and go, what the? That there's a difference. I am really impressed with Royal Diamond Painting. That's just going to give me my shipping. Okay, I paid 22 US for each of these, so it's a fair price. $14 off each one, $15 off each one. So yeah, normal price being $37 US. But for this kind of quality, you're up there with Diamond Art Club, you're up there with Evermoment. Certainly, so you're going to get a good quality kit. It's really well presented. The numbers have actually been put into the bags in order, so I'm going from one colour to the next, actually in a lot of sequence. So there was some jumping around, but I was also getting numbers together as well. So they're intelligently packing or gathering the colours and putting them together. Presented reasonably nicely in the way that they were done up. Okay, not necessarily as good as Evermoment's packing, which I don't know how the heck they get those drills into their Ziploc bags, but they do. I think this is a very practical option, and it means then that I can repack it, I can make it a bit more neater, and then I can put it into my kits for further projects. And I don't have to get it back as perfect as they do, because it's impossible to get it back to Evermoment standards. So yeah, Royal Diamond Painting, definitely a goer, and I would recommend that you try them out. They had the 40% off recently, I think they've got a Facebook group, or was an email or something, so there might be some advertising that you see, so you're going to get discounts in the future, so keep an eye out for those if you're interested and money is an issue. Shipping for me was $20 over to Australia, which is certainly better than Diamond Art Club. They fitted the two into one box, which was good, and there was only a slight crush on the bottom of the box on the packaging, but that was taped up, so that was fine, and that corner got a bit dinged, but other than that there was no damage whatsoever to that, and the kits themselves are in good condition, tight on the roller inside and packed quite securely, so definitely a good company, and one that I would definitely endorse and say yes, go for it, and support some other diamond painting community employer or idea makers, and yeah, spread the love. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.